Welcome to the Unlimited T Mockup. We delete this image that we see at the beginning. This is a sample for the mockup. We can delete this as well. Now, let's get to know the layers. You can easily adjust the print areas using this layer. I will use the chest print. I double-click on the selected print on the right. I hide the base layer. I drag my design here. I save this by pressing Ctrl and S at the same time. My design has arrived. From here, I adjust the opacity of the design. Now, let's take a look at the washing techniques. There are many types, like acid wash, stone wash, sunfade, and more. I've decided on something similar to tie-dye for this one. You can add the neck tag from here. I go to the color layer for basic colors. Here, you can mix different colors. Or, you can double-click on a color and navigate as you wish. I will use black. In color V2, there are midtones, and you can mix the colors again. Here are the pockets. You can place them on the chest or sleeve. Here, you can change the collar, or even add a shirt or zip. In the distress section, you can add holes to the fabric in different shapes. We need to open the long sleeve to use it. You can add different embroideries and pieces from here. All the pieces in the stitches section are compatible with each other. You can add an inside long sleeve from here. Once the design is finished, we do the backside in the same way. We repeat all the settings with the same numbers on the backside mockup. For more detailed questions, you can reach out to me via DM.